Imagine a world where diseases are eradicated before they manifest. Imagine materials that are lighter than feathers, yet stronger than steel. Imagine computers smaller than a grain of sand, capable of processing information at unimaginable speeds. This is not science fiction. This is the promise of nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is the science of the extremely small, manipulating matter at the atomic and molecular level. At this scale, materials exhibit astonishing properties, different from their bulk counterparts. Think of it as a Lego set for atoms and molecules. We can assemble them in novel ways to create entirely new materials and devices with extraordinary capabilities. This invisible revolution is already underway, transforming industries from medicine to manufacturing. Nanotechnology is poised to reshape our world in ways we can only begin to imagine, offering solutions to some of humanity's greatest challenges. One of the most exciting frontiers of nanotechnology is its application in medicine. Imagine tiny robots, thousands of times smaller than a human hair, navigating your bloodstream, delivering drugs with pinpoint accuracy, and even repairing damaged cells at the molecular level. This is the potential of nanomedicine. Nanoparticles are already being used to deliver chemotherapy drugs directly to cancer cells, minimizing side effects and improving treatment efficacy. Scientists are developing nanosensors that can detect diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's in their earliest stages, paving the way for early intervention and better outcomes. Nanotechnology also holds immense promise for regenerative medicine. Imagine using nanomaterials to repair damaged spinal cords, or even grow new organs, eliminating the need for organ transplants. The possibilities are truly breathtaking. As our planet grapples with climate change and environmental degradation, nanotechnology offers a beacon of hope. Green nanotechnology focuses on developing sustainable solutions to environmental challenges, from cleaning up pollution to producing renewable energy. Nanomaterials can be engineered to remove pollutants from water and air with unprecedented efficiency. Imagine self-cleaning nanofilters that can remove even the smallest contaminants, providing clean water to millions. Nanotechnology is also playing a vital role in developing more efficient solar cells, capturing and converting sunlight into energy with greater efficiency. Furthermore, nanomaterials can be used to create lightweight and durable materials, reducing waste and improving fuel efficiency in transportation. From reducing our carbon footprint to cleaning up our environment, green nanotechnology offers a powerful toolkit for building a more sustainable future. The electronics industry is on the cusp of a paradigm shift, thanks to the advent of nanoelectronics. Moore's law, which predicts the doubling of transistors on a microchip every 2 years, is reaching its physical limits. Nanotechnology offers a way to continue this exponential growth in computing power. Nanomaterials like graphene and carbon nanotubes exhibit remarkable electrical properties, enabling the development of smaller, faster, and more energy-efficient transistors. Imagine smartphones thousands of times more powerful than today's supercomputers, consuming a fraction of the energy. But nanoelectronics is not just about faster computers. It's about creating flexible and transparent electronics, wearable sensors that can monitor our health in real time, and even implantable devices that can interface with our brains. The possibilities are limited only by our imagination. As with any transformative technology, nanotechnology brings with it both immense promise and potential risks. While it offers solutions to some of humanity's most pressing challenges, it also raises ethical and societal concerns that must be addressed. The potential for misuse of nanotechnology cannot be ignored. The same technology that can be used to develop life-saving medical treatments could also be used to create more powerful weapons. The ethical implications of manipulating matter at the atomic level must be carefully considered. Furthermore, the environmental and health impacts of nanomaterials are still not fully understood. Robust regulations and safety guidelines are crucial to ensure the responsible development and deployment of nanotechnology. Open dialogue and collaboration between scientists, policymakers, and the public are essential to navigate these challenges and harness the full potential of nanotechnology for the benefit of humanity. Nanotechnology is not just a futuristic fantasy, it is rapidly becoming a reality. From medicine to manufacturing, energy to electronics, the invisible hand of nanotechnology is already shaping our world in profound ways. As we continue to unlock the secrets of the nano world, the possibilities seem limitless. Imagine a future where diseases are eradicated, where clean energy is abundant, where computing power is virtually limitless, and where materials are lighter, stronger, and more sustainable. This is the future that nanotechnology has the potential to create. The journey into the nano world is just beginning, and it is a journey filled with both promise and challenges. By embracing the spirit of scientific inquiry, fostering collaboration across disciplines, and engaging in thoughtful dialogue about the ethical implications, we can harness the transformative power of nanotechnology to build a brighter future for all.